Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the Post Market Show. So, from the title of the video, and you are already known that the US inflation data that we have been talking about is out, and it came lower than expected. So, let's directly jump into the data and see how much it has come. So, let me open up the US inflation rate. Yes, it came at 4.9 percentage, and the expectation was 5 percentage. So it came 0.1 percentage lower than expectation, and a lower inflation is always good for the economy. And US economy below 5%, we were talking about it, and everyone was talking about it. So hopefully, Fed will go easy on the interest rate, and possibly we won't see any more hikes in the interest rate in the US. So that is going to be a positive impact on the overall markets. So that is that, and the European markets and everything was reacting positively to this data. But let us see how the US market ends, and that would have a major impact. So before we go into the US market, let us quickly have a quick discussion about how the Indian markets went today. So I have in front of me the Nifty chart, 15-minute charts of Nifty 50, and today the market has ended slightly up, and it is up 0.27 percentage. But if you look at it, it's very interesting. It opened with a gap up, but then there was a continuous red candles forming for the first almost till 10 o'clock, and from 10 o'clock there was a good recovery, and there was another 115 candle fall, but again markets recovered that as well. So ending almost exactly where it has opened. So again 18,327, I've been talking about it, acting as a beautiful resistance, and market just ending below that level. And so that is Nifty for you. And coming to Bank Nifty had again I would say a decent day. It opened with a gap up, but again, like Nifty, it fell, and 43,000 was broken, but it did not last long. From 10 o'clock, there was a continuous rise, and Bank Nifty crossed 43,000 and went as high as 43,331. That is where it has ended. So that is Bank Nifty. It is up by 0.3 percentage. So good to see the indices recovering from its lowest levels. And apart from that, even the mid caps had almost a flat day, and Nifty small cap index is up significantly. It is up by 0.5 percentage today. So that is there. Talking about sectors, now sectors are mixed. Most sectors have gained today. So the top performing sector is Nifty Media, up by almost 1.36 percentage, and then we have the Nifty Automobile again for continuously it is moving up. You can say it's up by 0.75 percentage today as well. We have Nifty Private Bank again doing pretty well, up by 0.5 percentage. Yet again FMCG, which was down yesterday, it has recovered its losses, and it is up by 0.57 percentage. But the sector which continues to disappoint is the PSU Bank Index, and what we are seeing is PSU Bank Index again today is down by 1.06 percentage. So Nifty PSU Bank Index, clearly it is quite weak, and it has been falling continuously. So today is the 4th straight day with red candles. So let's see, tomorrow is the expiry day. So how if there's any recovery in PSU Bank Index, we have to watch out for that. Now coming to the FII DII activities, FIIs have again bought for 1833 crore. That takes it around 17,000 crores of buying just in the last few weeks. So that is quite strong figures coming from the FIIs. But DIIs have chosen to book their profits today, and they have sold for around 790 crores. And so this is the FII and DII buying and selling activity. Coming to index movers, we have Reliance Industries, again the top performer, then HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank, Power Grid, ITC. So these are the top movers today. But Infosys is among the top losers. So not losers, top draggers in Nifty, you can say, down by 0.59 percentage, followed by L&T, and then we have Dr. Reddy, UPL. So these are some of the laggards, you can say. Coming back to the markets, and let's see how the US markets are trading. So today, if you look at US markets, the S&P 500 is almost flat is what we can see. And if you look at the 15-minute chart, let us look at that. So we had a gap up opening, but then there was a continuous fall in the markets, but now we are seeing a sharp recovery in the US markets, and it has almost recovered its entire losses. Now it is trading absolutely flat, but we have to see how it ends. Coming to Dow Jones, it is down significantly, down by 0.6 percentage, and Nasdaq is up by 0.72 percentage. So Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 all having different figures. So S&P 500 is flat, Nasdaq is up, but Dow is down. So let us see where it ends, and this could be having an impact on our markets tomorrow. And the VIX in the US has crashed today, and this was likely because of the inflation data which people were expecting. It is out, so volatility will reduce. And India VIX has risen slightly. It is now above 13, up by almost 3.19 percentage. So expect volatile days for the days to get more volatile in the coming weeks ahead, because we had a pretty low volatility regime for like 2-3 months now. So that is going to change, because everything comes in cycles. So that is India VIX, and we are also seeing big moves happening in the market, and not just one-way moves. We are having two-way, three-way moves in the markets. So that is there. Coming to crude oil prices, are it is looking like it is stabilizing around 72 levels, and we are expecting a downtrend to continue. So this was a pullback in the downtrend is what we can say. So it is likely to fall further. And other things, if we look at, we talked about the US markets, and we have to see how it ends. SGX Nifty is almost flat. It was up, but now it is almost flat, because US markets did not move up significantly. US has having a mixed signal till now, so that has to be seen. Now coming to tomorrow's market, it is an expiry day. Open interest wise, if you look at it, things look pretty interesting. If you see, we have 18,300 put adding huge amount of open interest, and today a lot of calls have been written as well. So we are seeing 18,400 and 18,500 having good amount of call build up, and on the downside we have 18,300 and 18,200 having a large amount of put build up. So overall, looking at today's build up, we are seeing a lot of positive momentum. People are expecting a bullish expiry tomorrow, so that has to be seen. And also put call ratio has improved from yesterday. It is now at 0.92, which indicates almost a neutral position where the market can end. And also max pain is indicating 18,250. So this is the current situation in the Nifty tomorrow's expiry. And coming to Bank Nifty, 43,500 has the highest amount of call build up, and today a lot of puts have been added because the way it recovered. So 43,000 still has the highest amount of put build up. So we have to see how things play out in the Bank Nifty as well, because we were looking at Bank Nifty, which was particularly bearish, but today it's slightly improved, but still it is below. The put call ratio is below 1, which indicates bearishness in the market. If we talk about price action levels, again tomorrow the same thing continues. If you look at the 15-minute chart, that is the intraday chart, we expect 18,327 to again act as a resistance. If markets break above that level, we can expect it to act as a support. But again, expect volatile days, and there could be some zigzag movement tomorrow as well. So stay cautious about that. And talking about supports, you can expect 18,210 to 220 levels to act as a good support area. And if that is broken, we can expect the next support to come around 18,100 levels. So these are the levels in Nifty that you can watch out. Bank Nifty 43,500 again should act as a resistance on the upside. 43,000 can act as a support, and if that is broken, 42,800, which was today's low, that can act as a support in Bank Nifty. So again, it all depends on how the US market ends and how the reaction is in the US market. So that will define tomorrow's trend, either on the upside or on the downside. there could be a gap up or gap down, so that has to be seen. And tomorrow expiry day, so again, I hope you have a good expiry day if you are trading, and we will meet again tomorrow after the expiry. So I wish you have a good expiry and also a very good night. Thank you for watching.